ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan ra ashapi dak Orange Nissan looms ho pho near Fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka M Crown Hotel Kandailat Shillong, ka Three Olives Restaurant, bala play nakbantaban Shakriya P, hapo ka jingada jong ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, ringkat ka Cosmic Kingdom, ka Jakai Lekai Bapaw ha Shillong, bala yada na ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, bala le da ka Meva Enterprise.
Manish Chatrat ubalasya penkamti ha ka All India Congress Committee banpen ya ka jela Meghalaya ha ka khatwai tarik ukalalengkot arajar arpuwei ulawan Ïuhkjat ha kanong ba Shillong ban yikendo ya UMP yaki MLA yaki MDC ka sang Congress bat kumjuro yaki nongkit kam jong ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee nakabenta ban Twad Jingmut Halor ka jingtre kam jong ka party wat la ka sang Congress kam shim la yoshu ban bat ya ulakam sanshar hagani ka jilla hadin ka election shaka yeng dorbar thau ain ka balalong house nem arajar khat phra ha ka jingi kren bat kilat pathai khobor hashwa ban sedang ka jingyalang bat Manish Chatrat unongyalam jong ka Congress Legislature Party Dr. Mukul Sangma ulayatho bahakani ka jingyalang ansaya kren yi ki babon ki kam ki ba ka Congress kalale hakani ka jilla Meghalaya bat kumjuru ban penklan shu ya ka party na ka benta ka jingpen kre ya ka election shaka yeng dorbar thau ain ka ban salong house nem arajar arpulai.
December was the month when he wanted to pay a visit. In fact, though he has visited Shillong and Meghalaya a number of times earlier in different capacity, but as in charge it would have been a maiden visit. But we somehow deferred the timing, so he has indicated that January first fortnight will be more appropriate, and therefore he is here with all of us. We'll interact, we'll follow up with number of issues which are before us, the issues pertaining to the issues at a national level, the issues pertaining to the issues which are of regional nature, meaning the northeastern issues pertaining to different parts of the northeastern region, and also the issues pertaining to the state of Meghalaya vis-a-vis our political strategy, which of course we will not share with all of you. But obviously as a party, how we respond to a given situation and fulfill our purpose as responsible political party. Every political party in our given democracy is required to keep the larger interests of the people and the state before anything else. So that is how we will be approaching. And on number of issues, how we should be proceeding further, how we should strategize in a manner that help the state and protect the interests of the people in the state. So all these things, since he's our new in charge, it's important for him to get acclimatized, though he is aware of number of issues, since he is in Aicc and he used to be in the whole I must say the control room of Aicc, and then he has been visiting the state along with other in charge, his predecessors to be more precise. Therefore he is more or less acclimatized. But as we know, there are dynamics of politics and issues which keeps on unfolding as we march ahead. Therefore this exercise is a continuous exercise, and we will also look at how to see the strategy which is considered appropriate for further strengthening our party. In a democracy, strengthening political parties is very crucial. If political parties who are given the mandate and assume the responsibility of the governance is strong, then the state is going to be strong. That's what I used to always share with everyone. So nobody should say that, okay, strengthening the political party is none of their business. It's everybody's business in a democracy. So I think it is therefore important for us to do all that is necessary to strengthen our political organization.